In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the HID headlight bulb on this Audi S4. This is going to be located behind the headlight assembly. Let's get into it. Under the hood, near the cowl, you may have a cover right here. This vehicle does not have that cover. You want to take that off. We'll disconnect the negative battery post. Use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up this nut. Disconnect that and set it aside. Underneath here, we're going to take these two bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. Now the power steering reservoir is going to be a little bit loose. On the upper washer reservoir, there's a nut right there. Use a 8mm socket. I'm going to take that off. Take that off. Pop the cap off. There's a hose right here that goes into the reservoir. Just want to pull that out. Just like that. Then have a drain bucket underneath in case there's a good amount of washer fluid in this part, because when you pull this up, you're going to lose some washer fluid. So just grab the reservoir, pull straight up. That's where you're going to lose the fluid. It's just going to go down underneath the vehicle. We'll just move this weather strip, just pull that out. Just pull that off out of the way. It's fine. You can see this is loose. Down below, there is a grommet. You want to just pull up on the reservoir, get it loose from that grommet. And then there's a retainer. Just disconnect the retainer from the other hose. And we'll just pull this reservoir. You can push the pipes through. And we'll just push this out of the way as much as possible. Now we're going to take these two bolts out on top. Use a T20 socket. Take these out. There's another one over here. It's a little bit tight. Just get past the wires. And pop this cap open. Tip that back. And we'll just pull it out. Now inside you can see there's a retainer holding down the bulb. Two little clips. And push down on the clip. Push on that clip. Move that out of the way so that's out. Now you can use a pick, and the wire for the bulb is around a retainer right there. So if you want to take that out, makes it easier to pull the whole thing out. And right here we can disconnect the wire, disconnect the connector. Just like that. And there's the bulb. Take the new headlight bulb. Be very careful, you don't want to touch the glass. You can wear gloves. Now we're going to slide this down. Then you want to connect the connector before we slide it in place. Just make it a little easier. And get it lined up, same way it came out. Push it in place. You can take the clip, secure that down, and then do the same on the other one. Move it over, secure it under the hook. You can take the wiring harness with a pick and just get it secured. Just get that harness lined up on the bracket on the side there. That's good. I'm going to take the cover. The base is going to go in first into the clips. Push that down, clip it in place. Take the screws, get the screws started. Tighten it down. Just snug those down. The same on the other one. Because of the wires, it's a little bit trickier on this side. I'm just going to use a pry bar and just push the wires out of the way a little bit, so it's a little easier. And snug that down. That's good. Remove the bungee cord if you had one on there. Now take the reservoir. And just get it past some of the wiring. There we go. And down below, you want to push it into the grommet. This grommet's missing. That's okay. I'll take the washer tank. It's going to go behind. You're going to push the grommet on that onto the lower reservoir. And then take this hose, push that into the grommet. Get this all lined up. Get the bolts started. And get the nut started. Snug that nut down. Snug that down. You can fill up your washer reservoir and take this weather strip and re-secure it. Now connect the battery. Get that lined up. Tighten down the nut. Make sure that's snug, give it a wiggle, and that's tight. If you had a cover, you want to put the cover back on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.